What's up guys? Welcome to Gadgets Times. So the Google has just confirmed the Pixel 4 smartphone and the square camera housing of the rear-facing cameras. Well, that was unexpected. It seems with all the Pixel 4 leaks, Google has just outright confirmed that the Pixel 4 exists and the external look. Few days back, a tech website called TechSpot has reported about the leaked Pixel 4 renders that were going around. But now Google's photo confirms that those renders were actually correct. The Pixel 4 will indeed change from a single rear-facing camera to a multi-camera setup. Entire enclosure will be in a square enclosure, similar to the rumored camera bump of the new iPhones. That said, the picture that Google tweeted out doesn't show the front of the device, so we don't know exactly what it will look like. However, we can summarize that since the rear-mounted fingerprint sensor is missing, Google is either using a side button as the sensor or an in-display fingerprint sensor. With the proliferation of in-display fingerprint readers like we get in Samsung and OnePlus these days, internally the Pixel 4 will likely have the high-end specs such as Snapdragon 855 processor, 6 to 8 GB of RAM and at least 64 GB of storage. Pixels usually don't offer storage expansion via microSD. Ars Technica, a tech website, reports that Google's Project Soli may be supported on the Pixel 4. Project Soli is basically a tiny chip that uses radar to detect hand motions above the device. It will be interesting to see if those air gestures will actually be useful, unlike Samsung's attempt with Air View on the Galaxy S4. We all know it was a fail because of various reasons. What do you guys have to say about this device? Will they add Soli feature in this device? Let us know in the comment section below. And to get updated with such videos, subscribe to our gadgets friendly channel, Gadgets Times.